Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, so here's one of a couple of pens that I found over the weekend. So I found this and a couple more, and one of them a very nice solid gold fountain pen. I won't tell you which one, I'll leave you in suspense, and hopefully I'll show you that in the new year. So something for you people to look forward to. But either way, another nice pen in here. There you go. You can see on the box there, it says Parker. Now, if we open it up for you, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. You can see it's got the instructions to the back there. It's got the Parker name to the back of the box there. Let's take out the pen for you. Let's pop the box to one side and take a look at this gorgeous, gorgeous pen. What we've got for you here is a Parker Sonnet Cisele, and this one is what they term as the chiseled sterling silver finish in this sort of, if you like, a hatch pattern with gold-plated trim, as you can see, in gorgeous condition. The size of the pen capped is 137 millimeters capped around the barrel. It's a nice 11 millimeters in diameter. Now, because it's sterling silver, it's got a lovely, lovely weight to the pen. It's not a light pen. It's not an ultra heavy pen, but you can feel that it's a quality pen. As we said, it's a Sonnet Cisele. Now, you can see to the top there, first of all, it's got the very recognisable sort of modern arrow clip there. And then if we take you to the cap band, to the front, you can see it has Parker. And then if I rotate it slightly, it has Sonnet. And then if we take it a little bit further, we've got France with the letter P. So nice and simple. These pens were now made in France. The letter P is telling us this pen is dated circa 2007. Now, the Parker Cisele obviously was introduced way before that. They brought them out in numerous different trim, different designs, etc. This particular one, I believe around about 2003, Parker released 12, if you like, 12 new designs, and this was one of them. And I believe this was the top of the range. And them 12 sort of new designs went through from 2003 through to 2007. So I would say this is one of the last pens or Ciseles that they would have actually made. But a gorgeous, gorgeous pen. As we said, we've got the very recognisable Parker clip there. To the very top, we've got this, if you like, this button, and you can see it has the letter P on the button itself. And if we take it to the end of the barrel, which is nice and rounded, as you can see there, it also has this little button to the end of the barrel. But all in all, a lovely classic designed fountain pen. And for you people that don't know, these Ciseles were actually first introduced with the Parker 75. So they carried it on, as I say, in this sterling silver. Now somewhere, if I could just get my eyepiece and find it for you. There we go. Okay, so you can see there, it's got the 925 telling us that it's actually sterling silver, and it's got some sort of other little marks which I can't quite see, but there you go. It's hallmarked 925. As I say, a gorgeous, gorgeous pen in beautiful condition, no dings. In fact, as you'll see in a moment, this pen has never been inked. It's got a friction fit cap which fits on very snugly indeed. There we go. Let's give you a couple of different angles of the pen. Okay, let's take you, well, before we take you up to the nib, let's unscrew the barrel for you. And there we go. You can see it's fitted with a Parker converter, nice and clean. I've checked the pen here and inside. As I say, as far as I'm concerned, there's no remnants of ink. So in my opinion, the pen has never been inked. So yeah, some of you will sort of look at this black section and say, oh, I don't recall it having a black section. Yes, it did. As I say, the later models or the last models had this lovely black section here, which is lovely and comfortable to hold. Okay, and then to the top of the section there, we've got this cap ring in gold. And then the lovely thing about it, look at this gorgeous nib. It's a two-tone, 18 carat, 750. Obviously a Parker, as it says, Parker nib. And then to the right there, it has the triangular logo with the letters PPW. So a lovely 18 karat gold nib. Okay, and as you can see there quite clearly, this lovely two-tone effect. There's a sideways view. There's the feed underneath, the very typical feed for the Parker Sonnet of the period. And if we show it you again, you'll notice just to the sort of top of the feed there, it's got the letter M, indicating that it's a medium nib. Very nice indeed, as I said. No, I was thinking of actually no, I'm not going to fill the pen, because what we're going to do is try and find a new home for this lovely pen. So I'm going to leave the pleasure of the person filling the pen for the first time with ink to the new owners. But all in all, as I say, a very handsome pen indeed. For me personally, although I'm a vintage fountain pen, there you go, lovely click. I'm a vintage fountain pen man. Yeah, you know, this has to be one of the most sort of handsome, sort of modern pens that are available. Well, when I say available, I'm not sure if it's still available, this particular model, because as we saw earlier, this one's dated to 2007. Very nice indeed. Beautiful condition, and in my opinion, one of the Parker classic fountain pens. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, don't be shy. Give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe as well. So just for now, Slava Ukraini from me and this gorgeous, handsome pen. I'm just going to say bye-bye for now.